Hey, welcome back. It's Brad Taylor at Taylor Coach in Ontario, Canada. We're bringing you a new YouTube video. We've been waiting to try to get some new product and different designs from different other layouts that we've built in the past multiple years. And we're here to shoot a YouTube video on the smallest Taylor coach we offer to show you sort of a concept. This is a 26 foot by 8 foot wide, which is sort of the top end of what we're manufacturing today, to our very smallest, and this is what our YouTube video is all about. This is our 8 foot Taylor coach. It is 6'6" wide. We put the smaller 8-inch wheels on it to give us a lower ball height. So we got more of a ball height of about 12 to 13 inches on a 2-inch ball. It has a single 20-pound propane tank. It has your battery at the front. But for the little cars wanting something to tow, to be inside and be secure, safe, and dry, this is giving you all your benefits, and you can stand up and put your pants on without laying down. This particular gentleman we built it for, they did it without a front window, so a front window is optional for it. They've opted out of that feature. You can see on the roof, it does have solar on the roof. So he's put a number of features on this trailer, and sort of between ourselves and my son Nate designed this for this gentleman. It is quite a neat little Taylor coach. So like I said, it's got the smaller wheels on it. So it's got the little 8-inch wheels with a 2,000-pound axle. It has your GFI receptacle on the outside. It does have an outside light, so if you're doing things at a picnic table. It does have a baggage door access to the inside for storing things as well. And I should mention, keeping it that 6'6" wide, you didn't need to have to put mirrors on your vehicle to see by this little coach at the same point. I mean, some people do come back and talk to me about wind drag and that. You know, when you're pulling our product, I always mention to everybody, you got to look at the bugs on the front of the trailer. When this coach is going down the road and the bugs are just moving through their life and they get caught on an area, at times we'll get bugs on the front of this section. So you've got a little bit of square footage. The slopes are usually clean, and from here down are all clean because your vehicle's going down the road first and you're not getting all that drag. But when it comes to the convenience inside, it outweighs everything for the convenience that there's no pop-up, no sat-up, there's no canvas to wear out, all of it. It just goes on and on and on. On the back here, it does have crank down leveling jacks on the back. It does have a porch light on the back as well. And you've got your full RV door with a step pulling out. It has your full screen door as well on the back here. So if you've, wanting to sit inside, you've got your lock. You can lock the door open. So on convenience. And what makes this trailer quite unique inside is a few things. We have shrunk the dinette here back to a 42-inch dinette. Normally it's a 48, so it's a 42-inch dinette by about 6'3" in length, so which is 75 inches. Still has the bunk area up on top here, so you've got storage of all blankets and pillows. Can be a bunk as well, so it's 40 inches by 6'3". We're rating it at 200 pounds. We're carrying 200, 225, but it's a great area just for storing some. So for single people that are wanting to travel, this gives them lots of options. This particular unit too, they asked for a little bit more floor space. It normally had a counter here. We left the counter out. It has a lift up table here that if they want to put a portable cooktop, maybe an electric cooktop, they have the option. There is a receptacle right here. When they're not using it, it folds out, giving you a little bit more floor space. It has the overhead storage here for storage, where it did have the option of having a microwave, but they opted out of it. It has your Go Power solar system on it, so everything's charged. Probably one of the very unique things on this, it does have a big fridge. I don't know if we can get the camera around here. You can see it has the big fridge on it, which is a 5.5 fridge. So it's a gas electric. So instead of carrying a cooler and all those features, trying to have enough fridge capacity, a fridge was very, very important to this gentleman. So we accommodated the big fridge. They got more storage here underneath. They had a storage for a portable toilet as well, so they could pull it out and use it in the night. They did ask for heat in it, so it has a ducted heat system with your thermostat. So if they're worried about cooler, chillier nights, it's all hand tuck fiberglass insulation. So you can use the coach basically down to like minus 35 or 40. You would probably stay quite warm in the coach. It has a propane carbon monoxide detector, has your power converter. Something we've switched to now is all our Max Fan Air Deluxe, all the built-in roofs. They're all remote control today. You push your buttons, up goes the vents. So when we push our buttons, it has a built-in lid. The fans all come on. You can set all your thermostats to where you like. You don't even have to get out of bed to set your fan temperatures. It does have a couple little AAA batteries in it that you need to replace, but the fan is all running from all the battery on the coach, which is all charged by the solar that's built right in the coach. So this unit then becomes very self-sufficient, and that he doesn't have running water, but his thought process is we're going to use the park showers and things like that. For ceiling height in it still, we've kept the 6'4" for ceiling height. So when you want to get up in the morning, you want to get dressed, you can actually stand up to put your pants on. You're not kind of wiggling around in bed trying to get your pants all on. And this trailer with the features that we put in it, when we weighed it, it come in at about 857 dry. So it's very towable by a lot of the little cars. So for people that are looking for, no setup, security, and all that, you can't beat our little 8-foot Taylor coach. And then from there, we just moved through the ranks from 8s, 10s, 12s, 14s, 15s, 16s. Depends on what features you're looking for in a trailer to suit the needs that you're wanting out of it. And my motto's always been, it's never going to be big enough when you're staying in it, and it's not small enough when you're towing it. You got to look at what you're trying to achieve in your life. I hope you really liked the video. Again, my name's Brad Taylor. If you want any information on our product, don't hesitate to send us an email at info@taylorcoach.com or give me a call. I am a phone guy and can fill you in on our different features. Again, hope you enjoyed it. We'll talk to you soon. Take care. Bye now.